Deep in the rainforest, an army of tireless workers marches on. They carry leaves larger than their bodies, dig tunnels underground, and even practice farming. Yes, we're talking about leafcutter ants, one of the most fascinating creatures in the insect world. Today on Wild Vision, we dive into the world of these tiny engineers. Leafcutter ants belong to the genera Atta and Acromyrmex, and they can be found in the rainforests of South and Central America. These ants are one of the few insect species that practice agriculture. But here's the twist: they don't eat the leaves they cut. Instead, they use them to grow a special type of fungus which serves as their primary food source. The social structure of a leafcutter ant colony Ta. Leafcutter ant colonies can contain millions of members and have a highly organized social structure. The queen, the largest ant in the colony responsible for laying eggs. She can live for up to 20 years. Workers. They cut leaves, cultivate fungus, and maintain the nest. Soldiers. They defend the colony using their powerful jaws. Males, drones. Their only job is to mate with the queen, after which they die. How do leafcutter ants farm? Imagine an ant cutting a piece of leaf, but instead of eating it, it carries it back to the nest. Why? Because these leaves are used as compost to cultivate a special type of fungus. This fungus becomes the ant's primary food source. Fun fact: this fungus is completely dependent on leafcutter ants and cannot survive in the wild without them. The incredible strength of leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants possess incredible strength. They can carry loads up to 50 times their own body weight. If a human had this ability, they could lift a car over their head. Another amazing fact: the jaws of these ants are so sharp that some indigenous tribes have used them as natural stitches to close wounds. How leafcutter ants benefit the ecosystem. Leafcutter ants do more than just farm for themselves. They play a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem. By cutting leaves, they help cycle nutrients back into the soil, which promotes plant growth. Plus, they serve as a vital food source for predators like anteaters, lizards, and even certain birds. Segment 6. Fascinating facts about leafcutter ants. Now that we've explored their world, let's check out some more fascinating facts. Leafcutter ants have the fastest jaws in the insect world, capable of slicing through leaves in milliseconds. A queen lays millions of eggs throughout her lifetime and is responsible for founding an entire colony. These ants create well-defined highways in the jungle which look like tiny roads leading to their nests. Leafcutter ants are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth. From farming to complex social structures, they showcase nature's incredible design. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which fact about leafcutter ants amazed you the most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring nature.